are getting crazy and everything seems hazy. Is there some place for safety I can go? Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away. It gets so loud that I can barely hear. But your words speak much louder than all my fears. Sometimes I just wanna disappear. Running until I can feel you near. I need a new purpose. I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching. You're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety I could go? Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run
We're on
away,
my house host making pupusas today. Hosts, should I say plural? Making pupusas today, and let them know what it is.
This is it's made out of tortilla flour, or tortilla flour, and has some quesillo inside, which means cheese,
Okay.
and a little bit salt, and that's it.
Okay. You said casilla?
Quesillo means like soft cheese.
Soft cheese. Okay. All I know is queso.
Queso.
Queso. It's okay. I'm sorry. Queso. Yeah.
Yeah, and that's it. You put it on the pan, and you let it be.
All right. All right. Sounds good. We're gonna try them out and see how it is, y'all. So this is the final product, huh?
This is the final product. This is a pupusa with cheese.
Looks delicious.
Yeah, it is.
All right. Is that one for me?
That's all for you. Yeah.
Okay. Let me wash my hands. I'm gonna try it,
Do you
y'all.
want another one? Because we have two for you. I wanted you to try it first.
Okay.
If you like it, we can get the second one.
Okay, sounds good. I'll try this one. Let me wash my hands and we'll get to it. So,
This is like a particular way for us to prepare it. We put some sofrito,
sofrito.
which is like tomatoes, chili, pepper, some onions, and it's like a sauce. And we put some cheese on it. More
Okay.
cheese.
More cheese.
Yeah, cheese is the answer.
I love cheese.
We love cheese in the house.
Okay.
So you may try it on.
So this is, what do you call this cheese again?
Pupusa with cheese.
Oh no, the actual cheese.
Sofrito.
Sofrito. Okay.
Yeah.
It's almost like a what is that? Because I had a baleada yesterday, and it's kind of like a feta cheese. Feta? Have you ever had feta before?
Yeah, feta cheese.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's not feta cheese.
Okay.
We call that queso frijolero. This is queso frijolero.
Queso frijolero. Okay.
This means the cheese, the kind of cheese that you put on frijoles.
Okay.
Beans.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I just know I said it tastes like feta. I like feta, but you know, that's what it reminds me of.
Feta cheese.
Yeah.
You should try it.
I'm about to.
That's the way we eat it here. I mean, at this house.
It's weighty. Do I eat this with a fork and knife, or
We
eat it with your hands?
Depends on you. Yes, we usually eat it. I eat it with my hands.
Uh huh.
Teresa eats
Let me try it with my hands. It was kind of bendy because it's got a little weight to it. Let's see here.
Here.
Mmm.
This is the small one.
Delicioso.
Delicioso.
Mm-hmm.
Delicioso, yeah.
Mm.
And coffee for you?
Maybe a little. If you, yeah.
You
Why
need
not?
a little, like a half a cup?
That'll work. 3/4 cup, something like that. I'll put a little leche in it.
Some leche in it.
Mm-hmm. Good stuff, y'all.
This is for you.
All right. Thank
We'll have to
you.
make a toast.
Okay. Here we got toast for y'all. Coffee, breakfast toast in the early afternoon. Yeah, that'll work. Thank you.
Hope you like it.
I do. Good. Well, y'all, I'm gonna finish eating, and I will holler at y'all a little later. And this is like a little salsa on it, right? Is that what y'all call it?
Yeah, the sauce is
Salsa.
salsa?
Yeah.
Sofrito.
Sofrito.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Tastes like salsa. I'm from Texas.
Yeah, we make sofrito with tomatoes, onions, pepper. We put some spices on it, salt, and it's like a sauce. Acts like a sauce.
It's delicious. Gives it a nice little tang to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just some zing. Very good, y'all. Y'all try these out when you come to town. Now I'm gonna finish and I'll holler at
You
y'all
should
later.
try the Salvadorian pupusas.
Salvadorian?
Yes.
What's the difference?
They make pupusas out of everything.
Oh, really?
They make fish pupusas,
Oh, okay.
shrimp, beef, mushrooms,
Wow.
whatever they can put inside a tortilla. They made a pupusa, and we have a Salvadorian pupusas place here at the main street.
Okay, I think I passed by it a few times.
Yeah, you should try it.
Do they have the different kinds, like you said?
Yes,
Okay.
Lots.
Okay.
Lots.
I'll
This
try.
is like the basic one.
Basic.
But they have a cup, like a tons of, like, no, not a tons. I mean, I'm exaggerating. But they have
Lots of
like,
different kinds.
like 30 types of pupusas.
Wow.
30 types, yes.
Wow.
You should try
Okay.
it.
I will. I was trying to get away from these carbs, but I love carbs. And I'm doing a lot of walking while I'm here.
Or I'm starting keto diet, so that's why.
Oh,
Keto
go
diet.
keto. I like keto. Yeah, I've
And
done
then
that too.
this is my goodbye for the carbs.
Might as well indulge, right? Yeah. It's hard. It's hard.
It is, because Christmas is over and now it's time to get fit for
Mm-hmm.
the summer.
Agreed. All right.
Park here.
I see. I was like, oh, I'm gonna go there and walk.
Run away,